For most farmers, a water pump is just a machine. But during a fuel shortage, that machine can decide whether a crop survive or fail. Years ago, farmers across India faced a serious problem. Diesel became difficult to obtain. Long queues formed outside fuel stations, irrigation stopped in many places, and small farmers suffered the most. While most people saw a crisis, one man saw a challenge worth solving. This is the story of Ram Naresh, the man who spent nearly 20 years trying to reinvent the farming water pump. Ram Naresh was not a professional engineer. He studied only till high school, worked in agriculture, and later ran a small watch repair shop. But he had something far more important: curiosity. He kept asking one question again and again. Why should a farmer depend completely on diesel or electricity just to pull water from the ground? That thought stayed with him for years, and slowly he started building something unusual. A pump that could run in multiple ways. Electricity, diesel engine, human power, even bullocks. Yes, the same machine could work using animal power if needed. At first, people found the idea difficult to believe. How can one pump work with so many different power sources? But Ram kept experimenting, again and again, year after year. His design reportedly reduced energy usage and did not require the complicated priming process needed in many traditional pumps. It could draw water from canals, wells, ponds, and borewells, making it especially useful for rural farming conditions. And perhaps the most inspiring part of the story is how long he continued working on it. Nearly 2 decades. Imagine spending 20 years improving a single idea without massive funding, laboratories, or corporate backing. Just patience, persistence, and the belief that farmers deserved better solutions. Eventually, his power-saving technical pump gained attention and was even tested at Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Later, his innovation received recognition through the National Innovation Foundation during the early National Grassroots Innovation Awards. But maybe the real success was something simpler. Ram Naresh proved that innovation does not always begin with advanced technology. Sometimes, it begins with watching farmers struggle and refusing to ignore it.